Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss EARC. So, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, also known as EARC, is the next generation of ARC. It is a feature implemented in the most recent HDMI 2.1 specification. The main benefit of EARC is a big boost in bandwidth and speed. This allows you to send higher quality audio from your TV to a soundbar or AV receiver. There is a scope for EARC to deliver up to 32 channels of audio, including 8 channel 24-bit 192 kHz uncompressed data streams at speeds of up to 38 megabits per second. This means all those high bitrate formats currently available on Blu-ray discs, 4K Blu-rays and some streaming services, Dolby True HD, DTS HD Master Audio and object-based formats such as Dolby Atmos and DTS-X will all be compatible. But whether manufacturers choose to support them all remains to be seen. On paper, HDMI EARC should also make the handshake between compatible devices much smoother and negate the need to activate HDMI CEC, which doesn't always work properly. So operating multiple products shouldn't require any extra steps to get things up and running. As in the case with ARC, you will need two devices with compatible HDMI EARC sockets for the protocol to work. While a device doesn't specifically have to be HDMI 2.1 certified, HDMI 2.1 certification does just about guarantee EARC support. LG was the first manufacturer to go all in with the new standard, producing the first 4K TVs to support HDMI 2.1 ports in 2019. All LG's 2021 OLED TVs have up to 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, with Samsung offering one of the most models and 4 on its flagship sets. In 2018, Denon launched its first EARC compatible AV receiver, and most recently, both the brilliant Sennheiser Ambo soundbar and the award-winning Sonos Arc also supports EARC compatible. Now the question arises, do I need new HDMI cables to use EARC? According to HDMI.org, if you currently use a standard HDMI cable with Ethernet or a high-speed HDMI cable with Ethernet, you should be fine. Ultra high-speed HDMI cables with Ethernet will definitely work. Because of the extra bandwidth needed for some audio formats over EARC, it's possible that very old cables could struggle. In January 2020, HDMI.org announced a mandatory certification program that will ensure any cable labeled ultra high speed supports all HDMI 2.1 features including EARC. Now another question comes, is EARC backwards compatible with ARC? Well, this is something that don't have HDMI chipsets, so it varies between manufacturers and products. It depends if they are using compatible hardware that can accept the necessary firmware update. So basically it all depends upon TV manufacturers or device manufacturers. So that's it now. And one more thing I would like to tell about EARC is that if you are using any soundbar that supports EARC, then while using object-based Dolby Atmos or DTS-X, you will be able to experience full quality audio, lossless quality audio, and that will help you a lot. So this is something which I am very excited, and the main thing about EARC is that it enables you to transmit the original full resolution audio. So in this video, we talked about EARC and its features. I really hope this video proved useful to you. If it is, then please kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video to many people so that they may also be benefited from it. This is Vinay and I'll be seeing you next time. Till then, bye.